Ali Pig, as I was telling you earlier, itong si Raider Alimi, hindi naman kailangan masyadong defensive because he's not 100%, but still, Ali Pig is not taking any chances.
Here's Jordan Salvador. At kanina pa talaga sila nagtutulakan dito ni Terrence Leather. And Terrence Leather threw the ball at Jordan Salvador. And Terrence Leather is going after James Yap. Enrico Villanueva is being restrained by Ali Pig. And the entire Pure Food squad is getting on the case of Terrence Leather. And Ali Pig at nakikipagtulakan. And boy, cooler heads have to prevail here.
That's Ali Pig and Rob Sands. At
you know, somebody has to pull Terrence Leather aside here.
And
well, eto, reviewin natin yung ating nakikitang action. As usual, nagpo-postean ito si Jordan Salvador and Terrence Leather for the position. Eto, dito, naghihiyawan na yung mga tao. No foul was called yet. Pero ito, a series of bumpings. Pang! 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 And finally, the foul was called on Terrence Leather. At dito, nakagirian na po. Pero hindi pa yan. Ayun, pinato yung bola. So, ito, madami ng si James Yap, makikita natin mula sa likod. May ibinigay na konti kay Terrence Leather. Kung di rin nagustuhan yan. Ipapasa muna yung bola. Bibigay muna yung bola, pero ibabato ito. Technical foul na kagad, ay binato. So, technical foul na rin. Actually, yun. Sumenyos na si James Yap, nakakita, hinabol. Hindi inabot, pinipigilan na siya. Pero si Rico Villanueva, mamaya lulusot na dyan. Ayan, nakakita natin kanina yan. Si Rob Sands, ito. Aba, nandiyan lahat.
Ayun, malino. There was a karate kick coming from James Yap from behind. At biglang hinabol ni Terrence Leather. At ayan na, dito na nagsuguran sa court yung mga basketball players natin. Yeah, Rob Sands, Rob Sands, Noel Killingham getting in the middle of the action there. And you can see Renner Netualo trying to pacify everybody here.
Kasi Ali Pig natatawa ko kay Ali Pig It's trying to restrain all the attackers from the Pure Foods.
Kaya naman kaya.
Really a cooler head. Ito si Ali Pig. Ito, makikita po natin. Same, another angle. Pero dito, ito, tayuan pa rin po dito. Ayun, nagsimula sa batuhan. So, kailangan ang ating emosyon. And why not, Migo? Ika nga, ang matatalo dito, wala nang bukas.
Oh, that's right. You know, perfectly understandable. Both teams are really intense. Everything on the line here. Lahat ng pinaghirapan nila para dito sa Fiesta Conference nakataya sa larong ito. Winner goes home. Rather, loser goes home. Winner moves on to a knockout game on Friday dito sa Inares. So, ito, hihintayin natin ang hatol ng Supreme Court. Initially, there was a personal foul against Terrence Leather. Then,